Hey guys, Sam from BBQ here, and today I'm cooking some super fast beef burnt ends on the Pit Boss pellet grill. So let's get into it. So here I've got about a kg of roast beef. I'm just going to trim it up and get rid of some of this fat and the stringy, sinewy stuff, bits of gristle and things, so that we've just got probably about an inch square or inch cubed little chunks of meat. So I'll just go ahead and do that. So now that meat's all trimmed up and all that fat's removed, I'm going to cut it up into inch cubes. And then once that's all cubed up, I'll go ahead and put it into a foil tray. And I'm using a Cully's beef rub for this. You can use whatever beef rub you want if you've got your favorite or you want to make something up. Doesn't really matter. The cooking process is still going to be the same. So I'll just go ahead and sprinkle that all over the meat and give it a good mix through. Put plenty of that rub on there. So give that rub a good mix through, and once that's done, we'll take it out to the grill. So out here at the Pit Boss pellet grill, I've got it set up to 120 degrees. So I'll put the tray of beef straight onto the grill, and I'm going to leave it in there for about 2 hours, and we'll come back and check on it. Okay, so it's now been about an hour and 45 minutes, and this beef's looking amazing already. So all I'm going to do to it is just mix through a barbecue sauce. This is a Lone Star barbecue sauce that they use on all their ribs and things, but yeah, you can use whatever barbecue sauce you want. Just give it a bit of a stir through, and we'll leave this in there at the 120 degrees for another 15 minutes just for that sauce to set. Okay, so it's now been a total cooking time of 2 hours. That sauce is set. The beef has got nice and crispy, but it's still super juicy. So that's it. Super simple, really fast, 2 hours done. And now go and enjoy your beef burnt ends. Alright, so those beef burnt ends turned out awesome. Nice and crispy, super juicy and tender. And yeah, by cutting that beef up before we cook it, instead of like the traditional kind of way of making burnt ends from a brisket, say, where you'd cook the whole brisket and then you'd cube it up and then do your final bit. By cutting them up and then smoking it that way, it's way quicker. So bonus. That Cully's rub, a little bit of spice to it, it's really, really nice. The smoke from those oak pellets was really good. You could see there was like quite a bit of colour from the smoke, so just perfect. So if you enjoyed the video, make sure you give it a like, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, that way you won't miss out on any future videos, and we'll see you again next time.